Hello, I believe this is going to be my first video on the RL, and I'm just going to talk about this intake I got here, and it is a WeaponR Dragon. I guess it's a short ram intake. Originally it was an Injen I was going for, and the website said it's for excluding non-TCS models, which I thought, oh, if it excludes non-TCS it should work fine. Apparently it's a typo, so this is in the way of the whole system, and I had to return it, and I went with this. WeaponR has both models. When you buy it from them, you have to specify you have a 1995 Acura Legend, otherwise they can't sell it to you. This is one of those things that the RL doesn't have official support for. But the 3.2 liter on the Acura Legend is basically the same layout as this. So it works perfectly fine. I have to do some sort of adjustment because I don't like how this is sticking up a little bit, but it's sealed. This bracket, I feel like I should do a better job on that somehow. And eventually I'm thinking about making a, well, first a template. I need to take this out, make a little cardboard template of what I want, and then trace it out on some metal, bend it into shape, make a nice little box, maybe put a hinge on it or something. I don't know. We'll see what I can do with that. It's time to get creative with it. So yeah, this is my first video on this. First, like, YouTube video on it. I've been posting a lot on Instagram and on my regular social feeds and all that. But yeah, here we go. If you got any questions about what I did with this intake, you can let me know. I'll try to answer them. Oh, this was actually a pain right here. This, not really a super pain. It's just a different size than the OEM hose, so you have to really squeeze it on there. This OEM hose is supposed to come off, but it doesn't want to come off, so I just kept it on there, and I just routed the medium-sized one onto it, and it's fine. This is basically the coolant, so this is the coolant hose. Touch that, it's really hot. Actually, I probably should not have it touching there. That might be an issue, I don't know. But this just is a form of vacuum line, I guess. So it works. And when I originally installed it, I didn't take into consideration that, oh, you're supposed to trim the hoses. So I didn't trim this or this hose, and it just looked ugly. Then I was like, what am I doing? Just trim it. So I did. Looks better now. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I'll put a sound clip, or a few sound clips at the end of this video. Alright, thank you very much. And stay kind, and see you next time.